No one is coming to save us, so we're going to, with the urgency, with the quickness, save ourselves. No, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is 5BJ, and today we are talking about you taking action sooner than later. All right, so you have this idea you've been sitting on, you've been pondering about. I want you to execute on it within the next 24 hours. I double dog dare you. I challenge you to execute on that idea within the next 24 hours. Give yourself no time to think about it. Give yourself no time to procrastinate on it. Give yourself no time to overthink, to allow fear to lead you, to stop you, and to give yourself no ideas to think of other things you could be doing with said time. I dare you to spend the next 24 hours executing on the idea that you've been pondering on forever. If you want to master your mind so you can transform your life, so that you can truly get more fulfillment out of this life, you're going to have to decrease the time from idea to execution. And I think you need to take it to 24 hours. I dare you. I dare you. The reason I want you to do that is it's a psychological benefit. It's going to stab your ego right in its chest. Whichever part of your ego that has been running your life, that has been stopping you from creating change to creating movement and motion, it's going to stab it right dead smack in the middle, because you're going to give it evidence that actually none of what you're trying to convince me is true. That's why you need to execute on your idea in the next 24 hours. You must. The thing that's been standing in your way, that's been seemingly being a barrier for far too long, is fake. It's hollow. You actually can put your hand right through it. You haven't tried though. You're just sitting there looking at it in its vastness, like, how am I going to overcome this? You're going to overcome it by walking right through it. In doing that, you're going to reveal the truth. The truth of the matter is, you are actually the barrier. That thing that's in front of you that looks like the barrier is from your thoughts and from your assumptions. It's actually not there. It's not. All right, make some movement on it. You want to travel the world. Say you like, okay, if you want to be a if you want to do something, I don't even know, like, you want to try, did you try emailing the airline? Have you reached out to the hotel? Maybe they're not going to comp your stay. Maybe they can upgrade you if you buy the ticket. You just don't know. You do not know until you ask. You do not know until you take action. You do not know until you do something. So today's video is very precise and very cut straight to the point. You need to take your idea to execution. You have an idea, put it on stage. Put the idea itself on stage. Craft your story. Whatever it is you need to do. You need to reach out to the people that you've been thinking about. Reach out to them. Who knows? The moment you send the message, they may be online and eager to respond and to see and do something different out of their ordinary. But you're stopping that opportunity for yourself because you think you need all of these things to do all of those things. Trust me, I know how you feel. I'm there with you. So I'm going to come back in 24 hours and I'm going to share with you exactly what I executed on. And I'm going to show you the progress I made. I just dare myself and I'm going to do it with you. So I, Spivey J, in 24 hours will, and I'm going to bleep the next part out so you don't know, and then I'll reveal it on the next video. In the next 24 hours, what am I going to do in the next 24 hours? Let me think about that. So when I put up tomorrow's video in 24 hours after I do it, I'm going to unbleep that part and I'm going to stick to my word. I want to let y'all know that I'm scared, but it's time to stop being scared. It's time to step out of our comfort zones. It's time to build our rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. And nobody's coming to save me, and guess what? No one is coming to save you. So I'm just going to drop this seed. I hope you water it. I hope you take on the challenge and spend the next 24 hours taking your idea from your mind into fruition and manifesting it and showing your ego that it actually has no stake in what it is you want. You are the author, the architect, the builder of your life. Take charge, baby. The blueprint, you have to write it. You are the trailblazer. Blaze the trail that you want to walk on. Stop waiting for someone else to do it because they're not. Dang, that message. Although I'm making this video for you, I truly am just speaking to myself. The part of me that's a little scary cat. I'm really speaking to that part of me that's a scary cat. And if you have that part of you that's a scary cat too, I'm talking to you. Send the email, ask the people. The worst anybody can do is say no. How many times have we heard no? Like, it's not really that bad, but we make it that bad. So yeah, it's time to put our big girl panties on. No, it's time to buckle up, buttercup. Your excuses gotta go, and I'm stepping with my ideas and taking the execution to the flow. To the flow, okay. We have no more time to wait. No one is coming to save us. So we're going to, with the urgency, with the quickness, save ourselves. If you really take on this challenge and execute on something in the next 24 hours, if you don't mind sharing in the comments, y'all watch the videos, but like, come on, talk to me. Let me know something. Like, who are you? Where you from? What you doing? Talk to me. I truly appreciate you for being here today and for everyone who continues to come back. Thank you so much. If you're new here, my name is Spivey J, and on my channel, we talk about mastering our minds so we can transform our life so that we can truly get more fulfillment out of this life. I invite you to the links in the description if you're interested in building more momentum in your life. My name is Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know.